رايح فين يا ولد أبوي؟ اصبر عندي معلومة ليك ما تخرش المية، معلومة هتدعي لي عليها، بس أنت اصبر معاي لآخر الفيديو وكمله. جاهز؟ Let's go. Hello everybody, welcome to my show. This is Kemal. English spelling and pronunciation are irregular. The written words and pronunciation don't always match. There are also some words that are spelled the same way, but their pronunciations are different. The bad news is you will have to memorize these words. The good news is that there are creative ways to remember them. I'll explain. Consider these two words, both spelled R-E-S-U-M-E. Resume is a verb. It means to start doing something again after a break or stop. The final E is silent. The stress is on the second syllable. Resume is a noun. It is something you send to employers when you are looking for a job. The final E is an A sound. The stress is on the first syllable. Resume. So to help you remember if the stress should be on the first or second syllable, think about this statement. Noun first, verb second. Stress is on the first syllable of the noun resume, second syllable of the verb resume. Let's end this video with a quiz. Fill in the blank with the correct word. We hope to blank our task after lunch. The answer is resume. We help to resume our task after lunch. The word to gives a clue that a verb is needed here. That's all for now. اصبر، خلي بالك معايا في حتة تركاية هقولها لك. ايه هي؟ كلمة resume دي American، كلمة resume دي بريتش. السلام عليكم.